Okay, I have my Excel spreadsheet right over here. Okay, you can see the Excel spreadsheet over here. Okay, and inside this view, there is actually something called focus cell, which allow you to highlight your cell. Okay, as you move around, you know where it actually is. Okay, so this is useful, especially when you are always missing out. Okay, where's that thing that I'm looking for? Alright. And of course, for eight visual aid, it makes a lot of sense. So it's over here in the view under the focus cell.